You late to work or what?
I don't know.
Are you late?
Hey,
Are you late? Si's right around the corner.
he saw me walking.
Yeah, he saw me.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tyler with Creative Bespoke, and today we've got an awesome episode. We're finishing up the 765 LT for Vivid Racing. We're putting some suspension on the F8 along with a full Kevani kit. We've got a Urus here that's getting polished up. Lots of cool projects. The Mercy is completely done. We're gonna go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Can't wait for you guys to see this one. Let's go. Got the Gruely in here. Dude, not many people know about this kind of car.
No, not a lot of people do. And this one's actually a unique one. It's called the Grulian DDR Extreme 600. It's supposed to be 600 horsepower out of this Toyota MR2 motor.
I mean, it's dirty, but we did all of the, did we do all of this?
Yeah, all the paint work was done by us. We're still a little bit weary on the color. We don't know if we want to change the color on it.
Honestly, I like it. I think if it was a little like more of a chocolate brown, I think it would be dope.
I think we need like to complete it with the wheels. The wheels being just black and kind of plain kind of doesn't do the whole paint job justice with the carbon.
Because this is, I mean, it's matte. It's not a wrap. Yeah. This is actual paint, and especially when you do, I mean, carbon to paint. Yep. You want to be able to show it off. Yeah, and these are actually these parts are full carbon panels. It's actually just taped off to show off some of the carbon. We painted right over most of it. Oh, as we do with most, right? I mean, that's what's crazy is that a lot of times people only see like the little carbon accent, but they don't realize it's like the whole fender is carbon fiber. Yep. We just painted. It's almost like blasphemous. It's sometimes. Crazy. Most people are adding on carbon, and we're actually deleting it. Butterfly doors. It's got a wild interior. Obviously not finished, but yeah, obviously not finished, but so these are kit cars, right? Yep, it's a full kit. When you buy it, you get it as a frame and all the body panels. You actually can buy this kit and it'll be pre-assembled when it's delivered to you, so all the body gaps and everything's already marked off for you. But most of the time people buy it and just assemble it themselves. Yeah, and then you put whatever engine in it. Yeah, and you can put whatever engine you want. They're completely modular, so if you wanted to go with the 4-cylinder, they have motor mount brackets for the 4-cylinder. If you want to go LS, and you can even put a Hemi in these things. That's a huge turbo. Yeah, big turbo 4-cylinder. I bet it does sound good. Yeah, and she's sitting on full K-Sport backs all the way around. We got to get started on actually putting the brakes on this car. There's not even... Wow! What's up, dude? Look at this. You late? Car right here, dude? Yep. You late to work or what? I don't know. Are you late? Hey! Are you late? Fresh out of bed. Dude. Can't say that. Si's right around the corner. He saw me walking. Yeah, he saw me walking. This doesn't look sketchy at all. Yeah, straighten the wheels out, Sal.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, Angel, can you come help me pull over here? Getting out of the mask.
Sal has tracked brake fluid all the way in. That's fucked up. He said he didn't push the brakes. He says he didn't push the brake. Just tell us you pushed the brakes. I didn't. You pushed. You thought you could stop it, bro, but there's no brakes on the car.
I didn't press the brakes, dude. I know the brakes are on.
So what?
It's probably just the shitty motor.
The Zamboni that shit real quick.
Let's see. What is it? Is it brake fluid?
That's brake fluid.
He says he didn't push the brakes.
That's brake fluid.
I didn't push the brakes. I don't know.
Got the whole Bespoke crew with me. We're here Saturday morning. We're about to head out to Cars and Coffee. Yeah. We got Palmer taking some pictures. Yeah. Josh, Black Tire Media.
Hello, sir.
Here with the whole crew. We have the Mercy. the Aventador. We got the Bentley. Palmer, which one is the Mercedes gonna gap?
This?
This? Oh, yeah.
I hate to say I'm driving this one, but yeah, I'm gonna get gapped.
Oh man, how good would that be to get the Mercedes gapping the Mercy on camera?
Oh, the Mercedes is gonna absolutely destroy that Mercy. It's old Italian, man. It's an old retired Italian man. He makes pizza.
And I gotta lift off. I gotta pretend this is manual. I gotta lift off every time I shift.
It's fine. I'll give you the hit.
You'll give me a hit.
It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna head out. Maybe show you some action on the way. We'll catch you guys at Cars and Coffee. Alright guys, we made it to Cars and Coffee. What a ride here.
That was wild.
Dude, that was such a good ride. There's a ton of really nice cars here. I mean, 2 Ford GTs, 3 Ford GTs.
Yep, right in front.
Dude, so sick. I'm gonna go ahead, take everybody, show you guys some of the cars, and I'll catch up with the team. Alright, so we got the Bentley, we got the Urus, the Aventador, and the Mercy. I brought my car too, the T63. The Mercy is getting all the attention though. Ryan, you don't come to Cars and Coffee to fix cars.
I know, dude.
Come to look at them.
I get pulled into it immediately.
So,
Hey, you want to fire it real quick?
oh no,
I think
Right there.
I think it's coming out of either this gasket or it's
all brand new gas.
Phil's beautiful rat rod.
Figure it out. He's coming to tow it back.
Dude, this thing is so sick. The inside of this thing.
I keep a Zanny, keep bitch on my mind. Blast with a 40 and blast with a 9. Go score on me, we collect a little pine. Bitches on me, yeah, they know me as Poppy. Fist on my back while I whip Maserati. I need the status, I need it like Cosby. Whipping with garbage, all black on the Audi. Yeah. Hey, let the molly fade away. Sleepy, but still catch a case. Leave you there without a trace. Die your bitch wet like the ice.
Josh about to take off with the drone. Oh!
You stay on. You stay on.
Player one on us.
You stay on during sex.
Dude, so many people. Great event. Ryan, what's your thoughts on the styling from the old to the new?
Oh, dude, I think it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
I
The
think
body
they
line's
knocked out of the park.
Oh, they nailed it. They nailed it. I mean, that's a true American exotic car.
It's so hard to like please people nowadays, but I think this car is one of the few that's come out as like a revision.
Yeah.
Or, you know, an homage and then actually done well.
Yeah, I mean, it's just gorgeous, and they didn't overdo it. Like, they didn't make the interior too insane over the top. It's still like, look at the seats. The seats still pay homage to the old GT.
And it's
wild.
so cool. So the owner owns both of these.
Oh wow.
He owns both of them, so it's really cool to see modern versus classic.
Way we slide. I keep a Zanny, keep bitch on my mind. Blast with a 40 and blast with a 9. Go score on me, we collect a little pine. Bitches on me, yeah, they know.
All right, so we're back from Cars and Coffee. What an awesome event. We've got a couple of the Urus here. Beautiful Rolls Royce. I got to drive my C63S AMG. Cars and Coffee was awesome. Everybody loved the Mercy. Everybody loved the Aventador. And it was just awesome to go see cars that you don't see every day. So we finished up the McLaren. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. We turned just your average everyday 720S into a 765 LT, full forged carbon. Palmer, what do you think about the car?
It's crazy. I really like it. I mean, the way that we converted this from a 720S to a 765 is really cool. Now it just needs a tune.
I mean, you can
wheels.
really, you can really hardly tell.
No, aside from the roof scoop and the mesh right here.
Yeah.
But other than that, this thing is really cool.
Now, is Rob gonna put a roof scoop on it?
I hope so,
I
because
hope
it
so.
would be really cool.
Dude, roof scoops on the McLarens just look so good.
And it needs spacers and wheels.
Soon. Stock wheels.
It's
Honestly, I think they're understated because for what they are, I think they look pretty good.
No, they look really nice. I'm just saying, because...
It definitely needs some Hot Boy wheels. Yeah. Got a little bit of a, gap, needs some fitment, but...
it is lowered, so...
Yeah, let's pull this thing outside and get some shots.
Yeah,
All
let's
right.
do it.
This, right? You're not revving it up or any of that?
Yeah.
Because you will get up if you rev this.
The painters absolutely hate when we rev cars.
We literally have to flip the cars around just so we could rev out there.
Because it creates fisheyes, so the vibrations from the exhaust creates fisheyes in the paint, so it is a big no-no. Bro, that cold start's ridiculous.
I'm trying to figure out how to move the seat up. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.